Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Lulua TV Tech. Today I want to show you how you can clear the cat files that come from Adobe Premiere Pro after you have edited your videos. Uh, Once this process is done, you realize your local disk C always gets full, but when you come to your desktop, you realize you don't have anything that is occupying space on your local disk. So this is what happens when you come to your local disk C or Windows C. Then you go to users. When you come to users, then you go to there are these files. One is called the default. You might not have it, or you might have it. Then and the second text the name of your computer. So the name of my computer is Lulua TV. So you open the one that bears the name of your computer. So you open it. After opening that, you scroll down. You come to app data. You open app data. From app data, there are also these three folders. And then you come to the last one, which says roaming. You open the roaming, and here we want specifically Adobe, which is the first folder. So when you open Adobe, you scroll down to common. You come to common. From the common, you can see here it says media cards files. So you open this media cards files. You realize inside this media cards files there are files that come from Adobe Premiere Pro while you're editing videos, and these files save themselves here and they occupy a lot of space on your computer. You may think I have deleted the video I edited, but why is my drive still getting full? So this is the cause. Everything you edit on Adobe Premiere Pro produces a CATS file that is saved in this directory. So these are the files. You can edit them. You can delete them. For example, I have these ones that take a lot of space, like this. This is a video I did some time back, like this, how to shut down computer shortcut. And then there's this journey. So you select the ones that you think are occupying a lot of space, then you simply delete them. So this, you'll see how much space I'll create after deleting these files, these cat files from Adobe Premiere Pro. So let us select all of them. So I'm going to hold on Shift plus Delete. If you hold Shift plus Delete, it will delete your files that you want to delete permanently. It doesn't take it to the recycle bin. So that is actually one of the ways how you can permanently delete any file from your computer without taking it to recycling bin. So I'm pressing Shift plus Delete. Then I'll just click Enter. It will permanently delete these files from this cats folder, and this one is going to create a lot of space. You'll see initially I had around 40 GB left on my local disk C. So let's go back and see. Let me first delete this. is this, this, then this. So let's go and check and see the size of the space we have after deleting these things. It has created a minimal size. As we can see, it's 40.6. Initially it was 40 sub, but basically that is it. If you are looking for your CAS files that Adobe Premiere Pro normal saves on local DC, that is how you can do it. That is how you can get to the directory. If you found this useful, please make sure you subscribe to Lulua TV Tech, and I see you in the next one. Thank you.